Hello and welcome to this presentation about the integration of the Adobe Experience Platform, Adobe Commerce, and the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. My name is Artur from diva-e. Yeah, and let's jump into the integration we have prepared for you. So this is the Adobe Commerce website we brought online. It's based on a template which is provided out of the box by Adobe Commerce. And as you can see, we have adjusted it a little bit. Let's just imagine we are the first time on this page and want to purchase something. For example, this hoodie. So let's select something, can add it to the cart, and jump right into the cart and proceed with the checkout. Of course, I have to either log in when I already have an account or create a new user. Since I'm on the website the first time, I have to create a new account, which I can do now. And I will use my working Gmail address where I can add multiple users and see how it's flowing in, and I can create the account. Cool, perfect. Before we continue, I just want to show you that Adobe Commerce is also working in the background, and I have received an email, which is this one here, like a welcome email for my account. Yeah, perfect. That's great. And now I can add my shipping address and proceed with the checkout, which I won't do because I want to show you something else, the first use case we have implemented. So I will go back to the website and you will see this banner on the top. This is played out by Adobe Target. So here Adobe Commerce is playing together with Adobe Target and the Adobe Experience Platform, because the platform is providing the segment, the audience, or the play out of this banner is based on. And there's a discount code I can copy, because when I do now a checkout, I can add this discount code. All right, but I have to add a few more details. So for example, again, my company, this is a small bug, which of course we won't implement in a real project. So everything you already stated in the account creation can be transferred to the checkout as well. So we have the telephone number, some zip code, some city, not in the US, I'm in Germany. Let's say that's in Bavaria. Okay, perfect. And the shipping method now changed because it's within Germany, and keep in mind it's $5 because this will be important later on. And I can proceed with the checkout. Very nice. And here finally I can add my discount code, the sales 15, and I will get a 15% discount. All right, very well. And now I can place my order. The order is 48. And when I'm looking into the inbox of my Gmail account, I will see that there is, that's my order, 46. Perfect. Okay, let's go back on the website. And let's say I want to purchase something else. For example, this this tank top. Again, I will add this into my cart. As you can see, this time the banner won't show up because we have a frequency capping here, and I can proceed with my checkout. This time I'm getting a free shipping discount. This is because I was identified as a high valuable customer. So I purchased something, and this is why I'm falling into that group, and I will receive this free shipping, which is great. Let's go next. So this time I don't have to pay anything for the shipping, and I can place my order, which is 49. And again, I will receive an email also from Adobe Commerce 49 with my tank top. All right, great. So as you can see, it's working very fast. And let's go back and let's say I want to purchase another item, which is this backpack. So I'm adding it into my cart and proceeding with a checkout. However, this time I'm not purchasing it. I will go back to the home page because we have another use case implemented, which is an abandoned cart use case. And in a few moments, I will receive an email with another discount code and the request to purchase the item again. All right, so I received my email. Some more information, and I have a new discount code, which will be 10%. So let's proceed with the checkout, and we can apply, of course, the free shipping again and the discount code. Okay, sweet. This was the third purchase with the number 50, and this should be also in Gmail. Yes, so we have purchased this backpack. All right, now we can have a look into the AP and what is happening in the background. So let's switch into the AP instance we are using for this use case. And I will search for the profile I was using. So just entering my email address here. This is the profile. And as you can see, my first name, last name, and the email address is already part of the profile. There are a couple of identities. Some of them are pretty obvious, like the email address, also the EC IDs. The customer ID it looks a little bit like an EC ID, but it's coming from Adobe Commerce itself, and it's customer ID. And finally, we have also the B2B person ID, which is an identity used for Salesforce. I will talk in a minute about that. But now let's switch into attributes. So here we see many attributes I have stated during the account creation or shipping process. So for example, the city I'm living in, the state, my telephone number, and other information. So this is, for example, like from the shipping process, and the attributes above are from the registration process. That's pretty interesting because the AP to Adobe Commerce connector is mostly based on experience events, but there is also a sync towards attributes, which is quite new, and we're using it already in this integration here. Now I will switch into events, and we can have a short look into the events which are flowing in. So for example, we have the commerce event that something was purchased, also a page view event, and some others. But what I would like to show you is especially these back office events. So additionally to normal events which are generated on the website and a sync towards the attributes, there is also a sync of back office events from Adobe Commerce into the AP, like this one here. And when we open this event, you will see that there is information coming about the last purchase, which was a bag in this case. Of course, this can be then used for all kinds of use cases within the platform, especially for creating audiences. Now I would like to jump into the Salesforce Marketing Cloud and show you the last use case we have implemented. So there is one use case which is using Adobe Experience Platform Data Collection, event forwarding, also known as Adobe Launch Event Forwarding. And every time we are creating a new account, a new lead is generated within Salesforce. So when I click into leads, you will see here the very first one is the one we have created a couple of minutes ago. And when I go into this lead, you will see all the information that were available during the account creation step. So the name, for example, email, telephone number, or company. One more use case is that AP is also updating certain fields in Salesforce, especially this one here, the AP underscore HVZ or C. This is happening for all leads that purchase something, and then it will be updated here with realized. This is not real time, so it will take a little while until it's synced. But within Salesforce itself, we have then a use case running, which is pushing the leads into contacts when this particular field is filled out with a value. Because yeah, then it's not a lead anymore. We identified this user as more important, as more valuable, and therefore it is pushed into contacts. So all these is solely based on Adobe products. Only here we have a change in the product worlds, and Salesforce is coming into place. My colleague will present you also some other use cases which are done within Salesforce with those data. But I've finished with my presentation, so I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks a lot for watching this video.
Hello, my name is Chetan, and today I'm going to present 6th use case, which is about automated customer feedback survey from Salesforce. So this is Salesforce environment, and here are few qualified customer records that were pushed from Adobe to Salesforce. Let's have a look at this customer record. As you can see, this customer have an opportunity record associated with it, and the amount is 180. We have an active automation running in the backend, which triggers when an opportunity record associated with this contact is updated to close stage, either manually or by some automation. Automation is configured in such a way that it identifies if the customer is budget conscious or moderate buyer or premium buyer on the basis of opportunity amount, or you can say total order value amount when the customer completed checkout from the website. When order is delivered to this customer, this opportunity stage will be updated to closed either by automation or manually. And then it will immediately trigger an automated and personalized feedback survey email to the email address of this customer. As this customer falls into premium customer segment because opportunity amount is above 100, a feedback survey mail with tailored questionnaire will be sent to this customer, and if email field is empty, in that case a task will be created and automatically assigned to the contact owner. Now let's see if we have received the email. Great. So email is well received in the inbox, and you can see this email is also personalized with the first name, last name, and also the questionnaire that you see in the email body is tailored for premium customers for assessing their satisfaction with the exclusivity and understanding their desire for further premium offerings. If customer was from budget conscious segment, in that case the questionnaire would be completely different. It would be tailored for key purchasing factors and identifying potential enhancement to increase value perception. It is possible to personalize emails with whatever information we have about the customer and the order history. Also, if customer provides consent to receive newsletter updates at the time of checkout, then this checkbox would be true. And this information then can be synchronized automatically with Salesforce Marketing Cloud engagement, which is Salesforce's omni-channel marketing automation tool. And then they can start receiving newsletter emails from the active journey. There are many possibilities on how these data points can be leveraged in Salesforce and used for effective marketing communication at scale. That's it. Thank you very much.